Welcome to the 2022 last lecture. My name is Irene Thompson, and I'm the Interim Vice-Provost, Student Affairs. Today's event marks the 20th time our graduating class has gathered together to commemorate the completion of their academic journey. This is a special occasion for many reasons. I'm particularly excited to join your celebration as it marks 2 decades since I participated in the original planning committee when the first last lecture was developed. Our planning took place under the leadership of today's alumni speaker, Rich Appia, who served as the student chair. Our university careers, like life, are marked by milestone events. Just a short time ago, you gathered as an entering year class to be inducted into the University of Guelph family. As entering year students, you participated in various orientation events that included a welcome for new students known as the Induction of Scholars. There you were formally welcomed into the U of G community. Your admission to the University of Guelph was a big accomplishment. At the induction ceremony, you were told that you were not only entering the university as a student, but that we were developing a relationship with you, welcoming you as a valued member of our community. You were encouraged to take advantage of everything that our community had to offer, to experience the rights and the privileges that come along with being a community member. You were introduced to our Griffin values, built on a foundation of respect, caring, determination, engagement, and authenticity. Your academic journey was mapped out for you through the academic course curriculum, but your path and how you got there was yours to discover. Some of you chose a more direct route, while others encountered life challenges along the way. Still others opted to explore ideas, experiences, and diversions along their journey. Tradition and ceremony have important roles within our university setting. And just like we marked your induction into our community, we mark the completion of your academic program and your transition from student to alumni through the formality and ceremony of convocation. Our last lecture is also about tradition, but with less formality. Our last lecture allows you to gather with colleagues and friends that you met along the way in your journey as a student at the U of G. Each class year is unique with its own experiences, stories, memories, and challenges. Each member of the class of 2022 has their own individual experience and story that's unique to them. Each of you are also connected through the collective experience of being a student. You have each experienced the joys and the stressors of student life, forging new friendships, perhaps meeting life partners, learning to live on a budget, embracing your newfound freedom, and perhaps paying the consequences for overindulgences. This last lecture allows you to celebrate your accomplishments and mark your success in overcoming challenges that you may have experienced along the way. The last lecture allows you to reflect on how you have changed over the short time that you've spent within our U of G community, how you have grown as a person, scholar, and citizen, how your motivation and drive has changed as you engaged more deeply with your academic interests, channeling you towards your chosen career and life path. It's been a time of tremendous growth as you gained awareness of your personal impact on your environment and on others. It has also, hopefully, awakened in you a sense of social responsibility as you transition from our university community into the larger world. As the Interim Vice-Provost of Student Affairs, I am proud of you, the class of 2022. Your academic journey and life journey has been an exceptional one. Your memories and experiences will be imbued with stories of the COVID pandemic that altered each of our lives. You should be proud of the resilience you demonstrated. It was not seamless and not without challenges, but you persevered, drew on each other and community for support, and continued the pursuit of your academic journey and dream. You made it. You are here today with only your final exams and papers to complete before you're called to take your turn walking across the convocation stage, receiving your hood and having your degree conferred upon you. So embrace this occasion. Listen to the speakers selected to represent you. Class of 2022, this moment is yours.